Hey everyone, just an update on the cat house. Just finished putting the nogs up in the upper row there underneath the purlins and the rafters just to seal off the gaps. So you can see the top right there, there's a cat hole. We've got an air conditioning hole. Still got, what have we got there? Galahs going off in the distance. And we've done some fine trimming up there for the FC. That needs to be sealed and everything. Another cat hole. Step inside. Obviously, we've still got to do the ceiling. You can see also on the low side of the skillion roof, we've also sealed that up. So it's getting there. There's a few mishaps, but nothing that can't be covered over and painted and sealed. So, also got a cat door down there. So far the cats have got 3 different ways. And I've still got to put a piece of FC up there, but I need to get the nogs in first before I put the FC up. So that'll be tomorrow's job. Then after that, I've got the barge ends and the flashing or whatever. I've got to put on the front and back here. And then we're going to put a platform up there just so that the cats can run along. And then of course, all the internal shelving. We're going to put a sort of like a deep tray up the top there for the cats to lie in, so they'll be recessed lower than the visual level, and that way they can feel protected. And we'll have a ramp or a shelf that goes along up to where the cat hole is. It's not cut out at the moment on the inside. We'll also have a shelf and ramp coming from there so that they can go into the tray as well. So that's how it is for the moment, and hopefully another couple of weeks we'll be quite a bit more finished. So thanks a lot. I'll see you all next time.